Good morning, children. I hope you all are practicing and enjoying all the videos that are sent. Earlier we had learnt how to write numbers from 101 to 150. Today we will learn how to write number names starting from 101 to 150. So children, just to revise, the number 99 is the biggest two-digit number that we had learnt. When we add one more unit, so we know it's 9 tenths and 9 units. When we add one more unit to the number 99, we get a three-digit number. And that three-digit number is 100, that is 100. The number 100 is the smallest three-digit number. Here, a new place is introduced along with the tens place and the units place, that is the hundreds place. So children, the biggest place in a three-digit number is the hundreds place and the smallest place is the units place. Now, we write number 100 as ONE1 and spelling of 100 is HUNDRED, 100. So 100 is 100. When we add one unit to 100, the next number is 101. That is, now children, I have explained it earlier also. How do you read this? The hundreds place is as it is, so we say 100 and then the remaining part is just 1 over here. So we read it as 101. That is, here we write it as capital O for the starting of the number name. That is capital O NE1, small h, UNDRED 100, AND and ONE1. So we read it as 101. So children, when you are writing the number name, please be careful. You have to write the first letter capital and rest all the letters will be in small alphabet. Now let's see what is the next number. The next number is 102, that is 100, and then what is remaining? 2. So we say it as 102. The next number is 103, that is 103. 104, that is 104. 105, that is 105. So children, till now I hope you have understood that we have to write the number that is in the hundreds place as it is. We read it as it is, and then the numbers in the tens and units place. Now let's see which is the next number. Is 106, that is 106. 107, that is 107. 108, that is 108. 109, that is 109. 110. Now children, again here we have to be careful. 1 is 100 and 1010. So we read it as 110. Number 111. Here 1 in the hundreds place, 1 in the tens place and 1 in the units place. So we read it as 100 and 110 and 1 unit is 11. So we read it as 111. 112, that is 112. Children, just to remind you, 1, 2 is 12. So we read it as 112. 113, that is 113. 114, it is 114. 115, we read it as 115. So children, here you have to be careful. 15 is 15. So we read it as 115. Let's go to the next slide. 116, that is 116. 117, that is 117. 118, that is 118. 119, that is 119. 120, that is 1 in the hundreds place and 20 is 20. So we read it as 120, and we know the spelling of 20 is TWENTY. So children, again I am reminding you, here we write the first letter as capital and all the other letters will be written in small alphabets. Going to the next slide, our next number is 121. We know it's 100 and 2 tens and 1 unit is 21. So we read it as 121. So here children, if you remember, we had written 20-1, TWENTY, 20-ONE1. Similarly, while writing 121, we will be following the same rule. The next number is 122, that is 122 is 122. 123 is 123. 124 is 124. 125 is 125. Next slide is 126. The next number, that is 126, and we read it as 126. 127 is 127. 128, we read it as 128. 129, that is 129. So children, now after 29, the next number is 30. Excellent. So here we have our next number is 130, that is 130. The spelling of 30 is THIRTY. So children, now here we have to be careful again. We have written O as capital and rest all the numbers or all the alphabets are small. Next slide, and the next number is 131, that is 131. 132, 132. 133 is 133. 134 is 134. 135 is 135. 136 is 136. 137 is 137. 138 is 138. 139 is 139. So after the number 39, that is 3 tens and 9 units, 39, the next number is 40. Similarly, in 139, the next number is 140, that is 140. Here the spelling of 40 is F-O-R-T-Y. Next number after 140 is 141, that is 141. 142 is 142. 143 is 143. 144 is 144. 145 is read as 145. 146, we read it as 146. 147, we read it as 147. 148 is 148. 149 is 149. After 149, the next number after 49 is 5050. Similarly, in the number after 149 is 150, that is written as 150. So children, now I hope it's clear to you how to write the number names starting from 101, that is 101, to 150, that is 150. So children, now revise. I will be giving you some numbers and a couple of minutes. You have to read those numbers correctly. So here we go. Try to read these numbers on your own and write it in your homework book. Yes, so children, I hope you all could read these numbers. Let's check if your answers are correct. The first number, that is A, the answer is 148. 148, 148. B, 103. So we read it as 103. Excellent. Number C, 115. It is 115. 15 is 15. So we read it as 115. 137, that is 137. And the last one, 122. 122. Excellent children. This is really great. So now we have come to an end of this session. We will be writing the number names starting from 101 to 150 in our maths classwork book. Children, be careful while writing in your classwork book. You have to follow the same rule. We will be starting the first letter as capital, and by the end, and all the other letters will be written in small alphabets. So children, till the next session, thank you.